So guys, this is a quick little video, I guess, for those that want to retain some of the pops and crackles in the comfort mode while not burning gas in the sport mode. This is how you guys can keep the factory valve open while still being comfort, eco pro, or whatever you guys desire. So there's the factory valve. It's open right now because, as you guys can see, I took off the harness for it. It's just a little clip right here, so you're just gonna press right here and just pull down. Simple as that. And then what I would do is I just tape this up, guys, because you don't want any debris going in there and or anything like that. Alright guys, so for this part, just gonna take another piece of duct tape like this, and I'm just gonna stick the factory valve just right here. It's out the way. I'm just going to duct tape it. Obviously, I'm going to need a little bit more duct tape to hold that up, but you guys kind of get the idea. You kind of just like that, stick it out the way. Like I said, just adjust it as you guys need to, but yeah, I'll give you guys a little sound clip in just a sec. So as you guys can see, we're right now in comfort mode, and if I go to the exhaust, you'll see that the factory valve is open. Well guys, that was a quick little video, just something if you guys are interested in making your car pop all the time or something like that, just review them. So with that guys, I'm out. Peace.